Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to put the header on the right side. I've already got it laying in here, as you can see. Exhaust gasket here. There are no studs on this head. I'm using socket head cap screws. And since these headers have bolt holes in the flanges that are 10 millimeter and the Z31 heads are 8 millimeter, I've got a little bushing that I cut and slide on there, and I just put one on each end, opposite ends of the header, to kind of help center it. I'll run that one in there finger loose and try to get the other end on. Making sure to line up the gasket. Okay, she's on there kind of loose. Little tech tip, Allen wrenches with the ball end on them. Make it pretty nice for snaking in around header tubes and stuff at different angles. You can also get these on a socket. Okay, for the final tightening, I got a couple different tools. 6 millimeter socket, 3/8 drive, my Allen wrench I showed you earlier. Various sizes of extensions with wobbly ends. Try to snake it in there and get everything tightened up. Two easy ones are right here on top. These are just 8 millimeter bolts into aluminum, so don't get too carried away. Last thing you want to do is strip one out. So I'm sticking this thing in through the headers and putting this end on the bolt, but I can't get much leverage on this little end. So what I'm going to do is use this wrench to give me some extra leverage. Get her tight. So there's the right side header on the car. Here's the O2 sensor in the collector. This is the stock one that runs a stock ECU. This is the driver's side header wrapping around over the top of the bell housing. Here's the collector. There's a plug, but there's an O2 bung here, which I'm going to have for the wideband fuel ratio gauge. So another O2 sensor will go in there. You'll notice that these collectors have V-band clamps welded onto the end. Same here. I'll show you how those work presently. Okay, for the next part of the install, we've got this intermediate pipe that connects to both headers and then to the exhaust system. It's got V-band clamps on it as well, as you can see. Here are the clamps, right here. These V-band clamps are nice because they're fast. Fast, clean, and easy. Okay, next is this big honker. The snakes in here, like so. Again, we got another big V-band clamp right here. Makes assembling these things pretty darn easy. Got a saddle right here that this thing sits in. I don't know exactly what angle this needs to be at, so I'm going to leave it loose till we get the body work on, and then we'll know for sure. The saddle goes right here with this big hose clamp, and I just tighten it down, and I tighten this down as well. Like I said, I'm just going to leave them loose for now. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.